A lot of people come up to me and they always say one thing, Mr. Danu, we have been in this business from the last 5 to 10 years. This is a very common number, to be honest, and still we are struggling. Well, there are a couple of reasons, and this is reality. 90% of retail traders they lose their money in forex trading, and this is even 100% correct. Now, normally what happens basically, my dear students, if any one of your friend tells that I'm doing an online business or any kind of online business, people tend to enter into that kind of business. Imagine if we do forex trading, stocks, indices, or let's say crypto, and they start trading. Maybe in the starting they can make a lot of money, but remember one thing, your income will never exceed your personality. By personality, I always mean to say your knowledge. You will double up your account and then you will come back again zero. And this is reality. 90% of the retail traders they blow up their account within 3 to 6 months. Basically, one of biggest ever, I would say, like blunder or biggest ever mistake is they don't even know what type of trend market is following, right? They don't know in which direction they should trade, or even they don't know how we can predict our trend direction. This kind of mistake I have seen in expert traders as well. If you guys have any kind of experience going into investing forum or any kind of forum where people are daily chatting with each other, let's say about GBP USD, this is a highly volatile pair, or we can say GBP JPY or gold. So imagine gold is falling, many people will be commenting that buy from this level, buy from this level, or gold is going up. So many traders are going to say that sell from here and it will fall like a bomb. Now this is not going to happen. In forex trading, forex has its own rules. If you are going to follow up those rules, you are going to make a great career. In this lesson, my dear students, we are going to cover up how we can identify trend direction. One of the most important ever topic, and normally new traders and retail traders they don't know how to do this, okay, and they ignore such type of things. I would say this is one of the basic fundamentals in forex trading or in any kind of trading you are. If you don't know how to identify the trend direction, honestly speaking, to be honest, you are never going to make money in this market. If you will be, normally what happens, people are trading against the trend. So if you will be trading against the trend, that is going to become a huge problem for yourself. Okay. So my dear students, now we will go to our MT4, and today I'm gonna teach you how to identify trend direction in forex, or you can apply this rule in any kind of your trading, whatever, like you are doing stocks, indices, whatever you are doing. Even in crypto trading as well, it really works like a charm. I am using this from the last 2 to 3 years in my trading, and I have found amazing results from this system. And this is really simple to the point. Okay, so let's go to MT4 and we are going to take a look upon it. Thank you. So viewers, we are on the chart of gold 1 hour time frame, and here is the naked chart of gold. Now question is, whatever strategy you are using, that's up to you. How we are going to identify direction of our trend. Now this normally becomes a big problem for all of the newbies and all of new traders, and especially for a person who is trading in the gold. Now let me tell you something, gold is an extremely volatile pair, but if you know how to properly follow direction of trend, honestly speaking, you can make a lot of money from the gold, because this gold is a trend following pair, and any one pair who is going to follow trend, you know, that can give a lot of profit to you. Dear traders, we have two types of trends in forex trading. uptrend and downtrend. Uptrend and downtrend. Uptrend consists of series of higher highs and downtrend consists of series of lower lows. Let me show you here. Imagine, now let me show you here. I want to give example of uptrend. Remember one thing, in market will never go straight forward to the upward like this. Okay, it will never take a jump upward like this, etc., etc. It is going to move towards the upward side in a zigzag manner. Now normally what happens, market will start its moving towards the upward direction, making a series of higher highs. Imagine this is its first high, then it is going to take a little bit retracement, high and retracement, high, another retracement. Now remember one thing, the most important thing, in uptrend second high is higher than first one. For example, this high is going to be always higher than this high, okay, and then third one is going to be higher than this one. You should always keep this thing in your mind. In uptrend second high is higher than first high, and that's how uptrend is formed. Now let's take an example of downtrend, how downtrend is formed. A downtrend is formed always in the form of series of lower lows. For example, market will make first a low, then retracement, another low, then little bit retracement, then another low, retracement, and another low. Okay, now in lower trend, in downtrend, its second low is lower than first one. This is completely vice versa and opposite to the uptrend. And similarly, this low will be lower than first one, this one, and this low will be lower than this one. Now, for example, if your trend is going downward like this and you are going to take buy entries, then you are going to make a financial suicide in terms of forex trading, because you are trading in a wrong direction. So in simple words, what I do, my dear fellow traders, I apply just a moving average of 50 exponential, okay, and it is going to give me clear direction. Now over the internet, people apply different kind of moving average. Some kind of traders apply 200 EMA, simple moving average, etc., etc. But I have found amazing results using this 50 exponential moving average, and this really works like a charm. Now we will go here in our indicators tab, and then I'm gonna click on moving averages, okay, and from that I'm going to click on OK. So let me show you some of its previous examples on a clear proper trend. Dear traders, this region is going to be your bullish trend. Another important thing is that 50 exponential moving average line is going to work a high level of support and resistance as well. When it will act as a support, it will act as a level of strong support whenever your trend is, bullish, and it is going to act as a strong level of resistance whenever your trend is bearish. Now, as earlier I was explaining that uptrend consists of series of higher highs, it will go like this, okay. So similarly, you can take a look here, retracement, high, retracement, another high, retracement, another high. You can see that retracement, another high, okay. So this is how your uptrend is going to be formed. Now my basically point of view for talking this whole lesson is that you are never going to take any kind of sell trade during this uptrend, right? You will not take any kind of sell entry wherever you think, for example, people say it's overbought level or it's oversold level. Well, there are a couple of many methods to check those levels like divergence, and we are going to learn here in our this channel as well. But basically you are never going to take any kind of trade that is against the trend. Here you will not take sell trade until here, you know, you are never going to take any of sell entry. Otherwise, if you are going to take any kind of sell entry, that is going to hit up your stop loss, okay, and market will go away. Now let me show you some of its, um, another examples. This is an example of downtrend. You can see here from whenever it has crossed and it has been closed below this 50 exponential moving average line, this gold was completely following up this principle and it was respecting these levels, and market was completely in bearish trend. Okay, so you can see there it came down little bit retracement and again came back, retracement again came back. So in this way it is going to follow your bearish trend. Now here in this, until here, whenever this trend is broken, you are never going to take any kind of buy entry. If you will take any kind of buy entry, then it will hit up your stop loss. Obviously it is going to hit up your stop loss, so you should be careful in that as well. Also you can apply this system on all kind of trading. Whatever system you are following, apply this rule, and I'm sure that it is going to help you a lot, because I have found amazing results using this strategy and it will really work like a charm. So still, dear traders, if you have any kind of question, you can ask me. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. God bless you.